Okay, this is a video on checking the condition of a capacitor. Right now we have an electrolytic capacitor. Now, one thing to take note is capacitors hold voltage, so we make sure that the voltage stored in the capacitor is discharged. By using the test probes, we short its legs like this. Then the stored energy is neutralized. Now for bigger capacitors like this one, it holds a lot of voltage, so extra care should be taken. Never touch the electrodes of the capacitor. We also have some other types of capacitors like the mylar and the ceramic. Now in checking capacitors, take note of the capacitance value. The higher the capacitance value, the lower is the ohmmeter setting. The lower the capacitor value, the higher is the ohmmeter setting. So for this type of capacitor, we have 2200. We use times 1 on our ohmmeter reading, ohmmeter scale. Then we put the probes across the capacitor. Observe the pointer behavior. A good capacitor shows that the deflection towards the zero and then goes back to infinity. That's a sign of a good capacitor. Again, it moves to zero and then goes back to infinity. So this is a good capacitor. For smaller capacitors, we have, for example, a mylar. We set our VOM to the highest ohmmeter scale. Then discharge the capacitor. Then put the probes. The needle moves towards zero and then goes back again. So the capacitor is good.